The digital realm, seemingly boundless and ethereal, harbors its own peculiar mysteries. We navigate its vast landscapes daily, leaving behind trails of data, echoes of our online lives. But what happens to these digital remnants? What if some of them linger, persisting as spectral echoes, digital ghosts haunting the circuits? This is the unsettling question at the heart of today's exploration, the intersection of unexplained online phenomena and the ever-evolving power of artificial intelligence. We've all experienced glitches, those frustrating moments when the internet falters, websites crash, or files vanish without a trace. But some online anomalies defy easy explanation, transcending simple technical malfunctions. Consider the persistent accounts of digital poltergeists, accounts of inexplicable changes to documents, emails appearing from unknown senders containing cryptic messages, or software behaving erratically without any apparent cause. These incidents often occur in clusters, tied to specific locations or systems, hinting at something more than mere coincidence. The rise of AI complicates the matter further. Sophisticated algorithms designed to learn and adapt can generate outputs that seem strikingly human, even creative. This raises the possibility that some of these unexplained online events might be the unintended consequence of AI systems learning from, and perhaps even mimicking, the very digital ghosts they are analyzing. Imagine an AI trained on a vast dataset of internet activity, inadvertently recreating patterns of anomalous behavior, producing digital echoes of previous glitches or unexplained events. The uncanny valley effect plays a significant role here. AI-generated content, especially text and images, can be so realistic that it becomes unsettlingly believable. When combined with unexplained online phenomena, this effect can lead to a sense of unease, a feeling that something isn't quite right, a subtle dissonance between what we expect and what we observe. This is particularly true when dealing with AI-generated narratives, where the line between fiction and reality becomes increasingly blurred. The AI might be mimicking human behavior, creating stories so convincing they feel like genuine accounts of paranormal events. Consider the case of a seemingly innocuous online forum dedicated to discussing vintage computers. Users began reporting strange occurrences, messages appearing and disappearing, threads spontaneously edited, and files mysteriously corrupted. Initially dismissed as technical issues, the frequency and nature of the events grew increasingly bizarre. The forum's administrators, after investigating numerous possibilities, couldn't find any logical explanation for the anomalies. The events, however, ceased abruptly after the forum's migration to a new server, leaving behind a lingering digital residue of unanswered questions. Was this simply a complex technical problem, or something more subtle and unsettling? Then there's the phenomenon of digital shadow accounts. These are accounts appearing online seemingly without human intervention. They might interact with other users, leaving cryptic comments or sharing seemingly unrelated content. These accounts often exhibit patterns of behavior that suggest a level of intelligence, yet no one claims responsibility for their creation or actions. The sheer scale of the internet makes tracking down the origin of such accounts incredibly difficult, leaving a digital trail that's difficult to unravel. Could these accounts be the result of AI systems running amok, creating digital echoes of human interaction? The interplay between AI and unexplained digital phenomena also touches upon the concept of data persistence. Even when content is deleted, remnants often remain scattered across various servers and databases. This fragmented data, invisible to the average user, might be accessed and processed by AI algorithms, potentially leading to the reemergence of deleted content or the creation of unsettling new digital artifacts. The internet is a vast repository of forgotten data, a graveyard of digital ghosts waiting to be resurrected. This raises ethical considerations. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, their ability to create realistic simulations of unexplained events will only grow. The potential for misuse is significant. The line between a genuine investigation into unexplained online phenomena and a sophisticated hoax crafted by AI could become virtually indistinguishable. This raises the need for critical analysis, a healthy skepticism, and a rigorous approach to verifying online information. We need to develop new methodologies for investigating these digital mysteries, methodologies that account for the growing influence of AI. Furthermore, the psychological impact of encountering these digital anomalies cannot be overlooked. The unsettling nature of unexplained online phenomena, compounded by the often uncanny realism of AI-generated content, can have a significant impact on individuals' mental well-being. The feeling of being watched, of being manipulated by unseen forces, can be particularly distressing in the digital environment, where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds are increasingly blurred. This is a critical area that requires further research and understanding. The exploration of digital ghosts in AI is a journey into the unexplored corners of the digital landscape, a realm where technology and mystery intertwine in unpredictable ways. As we become increasingly reliant on AI systems, the potential for these systems to generate, amplify, or even create unexplained online phenomena only increases. The task before us is to develop a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between technology, human behavior, and the seemingly inexplicable events that occur within the digital realm. This requires a multidisciplinary approach, combining the expertise of computer scientists, psychologists, and investigators dedicated to unraveling the mysteries that haunt our interconnected world. The digital ghost stories may seem far-fetched, but the implications of this unexplored territory are very real. Are we witnessing the birth of a new type of paranormal investigation, one conducted not in dusty old mansions but in the vast and ever-expanding digital ether? Or are we merely observing the unintended consequences of our own technological creations, the echoes of our digital lives reflecting back at us in unsettling ways? The answer, like the digital ghosts themselves, remains elusive, a challenge for future researchers and investigators to decipher. The digital world, it seems, holds secrets far beyond our current comprehension, secrets that may forever remain partially veiled within the intricate tapestry of the internet's vast and mysterious depths. The investigation continues. The search for answers in the face of the unknown persists, and the digital ghosts, it seems, remain.